In this video, I'm going to be sketching y equals the modulus of f of x and stating its range. The question reads, for the function f of x equals 3x minus 6, sketch the graph of y equals the modulus of f of x. That's y equals the modulus of 3x minus 6 and state the range of y equals the modulus of f of x. The first step is to sketch the original straight line. I'm going to ignore the modulus completely and just draw y equals 3x minus 6 as a normal straight line. We need 2 points. When x equals 0, y equals 3 times 0 minus 6, that's negative 6. So the y-intercept is at the point 0, negative 6. Now when y equals 0, 0 equals 3x minus 6, so 3x equals 6, so x equals 2. The x-intercept is at the point 2, 0. I'm going to plot those 2 points and draw a straight line through them. The part that is now highlighted is the part I'm going to reflect. Step 2 is to reflect the negative part upwards, which is the key idea here, that the modulus of any number just means to make something positive. So every y value that was below the x-axis gets flipped up to the same distance above it. For x less than 2, the line was below the axis, so I'm going to reflect that part upwards. The rest of the graph, where x is greater than or equal to 2, stays exactly as it was. What I end up with is a V shape, sitting at 2, 0. Finally, the question asks for the range, and because the modulus can never give a negative output, the range of y is greater than or equal to 0. In summary, I drew the original line, reflected any part below the x-axis upwards, and stated that the range was y is greater than or equal to 0.